Welcome to Connect Education. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to sign up as a parent on our platform. Start by clicking on Sign Up. Enter your email address, then create a secure password. If you have a Gmail account, you can choose to sign up directly with Gmail for convenience. Next, you'll receive a verification code by email. Copy this code and paste it into the designated field on the app. Now, fill in your basic details, enter your name, select your country and time zone, and optionally provide a contact number. Choose your preferred language for communication. Click Next and select I'm a parent. Here you can add details about your child or children. For each child, provide their name, country, preferred language, grade level, and any special education needs they may have. You can also upload a profile picture for your child. If you have more than one child, you can repeat the process to add additional profiles. Once you've added your children, move on to set your matching criteria. Specify the type of lessons you're looking for, whether virtual or in person, the subject, your budget, and the number of lessons you'd like. Then, set your availability based on your schedule. Click Next, and the platform will present you with a list of educators who match your criteria. You can review their profiles to learn about their qualifications, teaching specialties, and availability. If a teacher seems to be a good fit, click Send Request to connect with them. You can also send requests to several teachers to ensure you find the best match. For in-person tutoring, enter your address and define how far you're willing to travel. The app will narrow the search to teachers in your area. When a teacher accepts your request, you'll be able to chat with the teacher to discuss your child's learning needs in detail. You'll also receive notifications via email whenever there's an update on your requests. And that's it. Signing up is quick and easy, and you're now one step closer to finding the perfect educator for your child. Thank you for choosing us to support your child's academic journey.